Okay, agenda natin for today is back. Magba-back. Hindi ko alam kung magba-bicep. Pero ako, isasabay ko yung shoulders ko. Since the other day, nung isang araw, nag-back kami ni Ethan. Yun nga, kasama ko si Ethan ngayon ulit. Then, kinabukasan, nag-chest ako. Then, rest ako kahapon. Then ngayon, niyaya niya ulit ako mag-back. So, sabayan ko ng shoulders. Maya-maya, mag-start na ulit ako record sa gym. So, yun guys. Later ulit. Chan. 40? Set ko na. Okay lang, 2 sets lang. 2 sets.
Nightwing build. Nightwing build.
Kala ko naman tutukay tayo.
Nalawag mo na ba?
Alright. Then cardio tayo after.
Hindi na. Sunday yun eh.
Okay na.
Sunday cheat day ko eh.
Yeah, bro. Bro, di tayo nag-cardio nung Thursday.
Ay puta ang tagal natin.
Nung Friday, di ka din nag-cardio kasi nag-leg ka nun.
Ay talaga. Saan ba tayo?
Kahapon, di ka din nag-leg day. Ay, nag-cardio.
Kahapon.
Di ka nag-cardio.
Pagka-closing kasi.
Oh.
Ay, cheat day. Mag-grocery pa ako.
Nah.
Garado grocery.
Nah.
Preparation. Pati yung tagal na pala.
Ilan?
1550. Ay, yung sakit. Sakto diretso na tayo bedroom.
Ay,
Isa-isa kamay yung
isolateral. Ikaw sa right, ako sa left. Power of friendship.
wala pa. Sarado yung para sa
Kaya, sarado. Pili ko nga sarado yung Sunday.
Hindi po kasi lang na Sunday, pero may ginagawa.
Ha? Eh di sa ibang parisan.
You know.
You know.
Mas taga ka ng baka, you know.
Yun na.
Hindi na kasi sabay ko lang.
Hindi ka pa nga kumakain eh.
Galit ako. Pero dahil wala akong kain. Wala pang pre-workout and shit. Hindi man ako nag-monster.
Ang pre-workout mo, yung shenanigans na nangyari kanina.
Kulang, not enough yun. Not enough to get me going.
Not enough drive.
Sa Starbucks na ako, makandal yung mga fans.
Yeah. Let's go.
Tinasa mo ba yung upuan?
Ayo. Bye. Short King.
No. 5'9".
No. 5'9". Sabi ko may chance kayo. Bagay kayo ni ano eh.
30 na ba yun?
30 na ata. Sa 30. Ayaw mo nun? Guys, ayaw. Sibing mo, sabi niya ayoko siya nag-OOTD.
Hindi naman ako mag-OTD pala.
Yun nga, sabi ko sana eh. Hindi mo nag-OOTD.
Kukunin ko ang post-April.
Yun nga eh. Sabi ko sana. Kita mo yung ang ba't ng post niya.
Tabingin talaga bro.
Nah.
Bro, I swear. Ramdam mo eh.
Ano mo ba?
May new thing. Puan
Oh.
sa ano na to, fix. Pag inisot mo yung machine, sasama lang naman yung upuan. Di ba?
Hindi, pantay naman ah. I don't know. Tignan mo nga. Oh.
Comment down below kung ba.
Guys, tignan nyo kung pantay.
Sisipatin mo.
Oh, sisipatin. Oh, ayan oh.
Pantay ba? Dapat
Pantay.
kita mo yung handle na to.
Oh, ayan oh.
Hindi.
Is it, ano? Pantay ba? Or hindi, guys? Comment.
Sabi nga, ituloy mo yung mga manufacture. Yung isang way sa naman.
Ano? Manufacturing, ano?
Defect.
Defect. Ano na? Tingnan mo yan. Okay yun. Okay yan. Ayun lang. I think it's Ventana.
Ventana. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, this raw dogging. No music. No straps. Raw dog.
Okay, next workout, cable rows. Huh?
Excuse mo, text me lang.
Okay, coach. Okay. Alam mo ba, pagka dalawa, times 2. Times 2. Pag kunwari 10, 20 talaga binubuhat.
Kaya pala sa
Kahit pati dito,
ayun nga.
30 kg,
Yeah, ano concept?
60.
Yeah, pulling both guy.
Na, pangit dito. First set na? First set.
So, what is fitness? It's really up to you. Real life never stops. Anytime starts now.
Time mo hindi masyado time yung nakaganyan ka lang, oh. Yung kamay hila. Hindi, nakagano lang. Tayo mo lang. Tayo mo lang. Squeeze mo sa likod.
With fast, controlled pulses that ease tension, boost blood flow, reduce soreness, improve movement, and get you moving. Try anything.
Ka nasa shoulder ko. Okay, here.
Are your legs moving?
Saan? Go for PR. PR. May rituals and shit. Good. Nag-shoulders pala ako kapon, so can't do boss. Yan o. Locked in. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Up. Yan na, 1. Hinga. Pupunta ko gato pag di ka maya. 3. Hindi, inhale, effort, exhale. Pause. Inhale, effort, exhale. Bobo net. Guys, huwag niyo susundan to. Kita. Tumingin ka dito. Kita yan guys, bobo. Nag-i-inhale habang nag-effort. Bro, inhale ka ha. Effort, exhale. Yung ginagawa mo, nag-i-inhale ka kada effort. Hihimatayin ka. Guys, kita yan. Huwag niyo susundan yan.
I don't know, man.
Sabi, balik tayo.
New meta.
New meta, pag gusto mong himatayin, tapos bumarak yung ulo mo.
Stay inhale, not exhale. Shableo, 2025.
2027.
On some nonchalant shit, that nonchalant ka.
Pero kung sales ko ito naman. I have to step up.
Konting bato, konting simento, monumento.
Ito, Pero kanina sa interview ko, nonchalant eh.
Ma-trip ka na eh.
Ito, isip mo nonchalant ako. Basta pagkasabi ka, kung kaya ko, kaya nyo rin. The fuck?
Oh, fuck.
Bro, I ain't like that.
Guys, you know who you are.
I ain't like that, Sean.
Change. 2025, wait, 2026.
Don't try so hard to be someone you're not.
Don't fall over.
What?
Huh?
Don't fumble. Sa'yo wala yung tropa mo.
Huh?
Who? Who are you talking about? You know what I'm talking about. I don't know who you're talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Alright, I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're saying. This is baby weight.
Alright, let's go. Lightweight. Lightweight, bro.
And hindi naman nahihirapan to this. See? Tatawa pa nga eh. Dapat din naman nag-gugun pa. Ito pa.
Bro, bali ako.
Mapait pa ako kasi huwag niyo gutumin to guys. Mahirap kung nagugulog pa.
Di ba mas sir, and that's why I can say, it's end of the day,
Okay.
cutting is harder than bulking. Pero imagine mo, pag-cutting ka, you gotta be in a deficit, gutom ka, tapos you have to lift heavy weights, and do cardio. And then pag-bulk, you just have to eat.
Yeah, eat.
Less cardio.
Eat. Then rest. Okay na.
Yeah, may fuel ka mag-lift na kasi pag cutting, you're eating less.
Yeah.
So,
Eating
gutom ka,
less.
patag ka.
Then you're starving.
Kailangan mo mag-PR,
Beer. Yeah.
and then do 30 minutes of cardio, take lang.
Yeah.
Cutting is harder. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. So,
Guys, I mean, I'm not on anything right now, pero hop on. Let's hop on,
you're
bro.
on.
Let's hop on.
No.
Yeah, come on, bro. Run it. Run it. Hindi joke lang.
Hindi ko gagawin yan.
Yeah, that's what
Stay
I...
healthy guys. Stay natty.
Nah, bro. Who wants to live past 50? I want to die before I reach 50. Because when you're 50, you're ugly. You're weak.
Nah.
Yeah, bro. When I'm 50, I want to die. So, ano ba? I want to die looking extremely hot. So, paano mo magagawa yun? Hop on, crazy amount, and then die at 50.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I wanna die rich.
Ayun, hop on, do content creation, di ba? Ganon. Tapos, die at 50. That's a legacy, bro. That's a legacy. Parang si Ziz.
Stop it. Get some help.
Ano sabi mo?
Yan, grabe yan, guys, Vanessa. Pag siya yung videographer nyo, cameraman, you become 10%. No, actually, that's cap. 30% hotter.
Yeah.
Kahit ako napa, ooh!
Kasi guys, if makikita nyo yung... Nasa highlights ba?
Ha?
Nasa highlights yun.
Mamatay.
Oh, makikita nyo yung highlights nito.
Nasa TikTok na.
Nasa TikTok. At Gaitan.
That guy tan.
Okay, at that Gaitan. Okay. Who am I? Who are you?
Ay, ba ito, pre?
I think optimal.
I'm 34. Dali na, dito.
Tama, good. We're yapping.
Ako naman nag-iyan. Ako na cameraman.
Okay, Kara.
Okay, guys, cameraman.
Okay, gagawin natin rear delts.
Little
Sorry, nagpa-practice pa ako English para sa vlog.
Yeah, bro.
So, 7 kg.
Bakit bawal mo mabigat pag rear delt? Tanong ng audience.
I mean, I could go for reps na for 7 kilos.
Hindi niya nasagot.
Ano, what's your question, Vale?
Bakit bawal mo mabigat pag ganyan rear delt?
Based on study,
Based on science. The small muscle group.
research shows that to stimulate the muscle in the shoulder is going for reps, not for weight.
Yeah, kasi when you go overweight, I mean yung weight na ginagamit mo, you might ruin your form.
Yeah, focus on the form, not on the weight.
Yeah, and once your form is ruined, you're basically doing... Sorry.
I'm gonna start on left.
Okay. Intusan pa ako.
Sabi mo.
Grabe yan. Pure. Guys, grabe yan si Vanessa. Pinahiram niya sa akin yung Lambo niya one time. Kasi nasira yung kotse sa niya, bro. Hindi, gamitin mo na yung Lambo ko. Pina-full tank na rin niya, gano'n. Tapos ngayon daw, malilipid daw siya ng Starbucks. Ay ko, grabe ka naman, Vanessa. Parang sige na nga, nakakaya naman tumagi.
What can I say?
Kailangan ng proof mamaya.
Later. Later, alligator.